The world is going mobile. People use apps for everything. From shopping to banking, apps are essential. Building apps used to be hard. Developers needed different tools for different phones. Flutter changes that. It's the future of app development. Flutter is a free and open-source UI software development toolkit created by Google. It was first announced in 2015 and has since become a popular choice for developers around the world. Flutter helps you build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. This means you can create apps for any device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or computer, all using the same code. One of the standout features of Flutter is its ability to use a single code base to create applications that work seamlessly on iOS, Android, and beyond. This not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across different platforms. Flutter uses a programming language called Dart, which was also developed by Google. Dart is designed for building fast, scalable, and high-performance applications. Dart is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Its syntax is clean and easy to understand, which helps in writing and maintaining code efficiently. Flutter comes with a rich set of pre-built UI components known as widgets. These widgets are highly customizable and can be combined to create complex user interfaces. The availability of these pre-built widgets allows developers to build apps quickly and efficiently. You can focus on the functionality and design of your app without worrying about the underlying code. With Flutter, you can concentrate on your app's unique features and user experience. The framework takes care of the heavy lifting, so you can bring your creative ideas to life. Flutter makes app development not only fast but also enjoyable. Its intuitive design and powerful features make it a favorite among developers, leading to successful and satisfying app launches. Flutter's biggest advantage is cross-platform development. Write code once, use it everywhere. This saves time and money. No need to build separate apps for iOS and Android. Flutter handles it all. This means your app reaches more people. You can target both app stores with one code base. Flutter makes it easy to reach a wider audience. Flutter makes it easy to build beautiful apps. It uses widgets to create user interfaces. Widgets are like building blocks for your app's design. Flutter has many pre-built widgets. You can customize these widgets to fit your style. Flutter's widgets are fast and responsive. They create a smooth user experience. Section 5. Fast and efficient. Flutter apps are known for their speed. They run smoothly even on older devices. Flutter uses a technology called hot reload. This lets you see code changes instantly. This speeds up development time. You can experiment and see results quickly. Flutter helps you build high-performance apps efficiently. Section 6. Growing community, ample resources. In this section, we will explore the vibrant and ever-growing community that surrounds Flutter, as well as the ample resources available to developers. Flutter has a large and active community. This community is made up of developers from all around the world, who come together to share their knowledge, collaborate on projects, and support each other in their coding journeys. Developers share their knowledge and help each other. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, you can always find someone willing to lend a hand or offer advice. This spirit of collaboration is one of the key strengths of the Flutter community. There are many online resources available. From official documentation to community-driven tutorials, the wealth of information at your fingertips is truly impressive. You can easily find guides, code samples, and best practices to help you overcome any challenges you might face. You can find tutorials, documentation, and support forums. These resources are constantly updated and expanded, ensuring that you have access to the latest information and techniques. Whether you prefer video tutorials, written guides, or interactive forums, there is something for everyone. This makes learning Flutter easier. The combination of a supportive community and a wealth of resources means that you can quickly get up to speed with Flutter and start building amazing applications. The sense of accomplishment you feel when your code runs successfully is unmatched. You can find answers to your questions and get help when needed. The support forums are particularly valuable as they allow you to connect with other developers who have faced similar challenges. You can ask questions, share your experiences, and learn from others. The Flutter community is welcoming and supportive. No matter your background or experience level, you will find a place in this community. The diversity of the community is one of its greatest strengths, as it brings together people with different perspectives and ideas, fostering innovation and creativity. Section 7. Why learn Flutter? Flutter is a valuable skill for developers. It is an open-source UI software development kit created by Google. With Flutter, you can build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. This means you can write your code once and deploy it across multiple platforms, saving time and effort. It's in high demand by companies worldwide. Many businesses are looking for developers who can create seamless, high-performance applications, and Flutter fits the bill perfectly. The demand for Flutter developers is growing rapidly, and this trend is expected to continue as more companies recognize the benefits of using Flutter for their projects. Learning Flutter can boost your career prospects. By mastering Flutter, you can make yourself more marketable to potential employers. Companies are willing to pay a premium for developers who have expertise in Flutter, as it allows them to create high-quality applications quickly and efficiently. It opens doors to new opportunities. Whether you're looking to work for a tech giant, a startup, or even freelance, having Flutter in your skill set can give you a competitive edge. Networking at tech events and connecting with other Flutter developers can also lead to exciting collaborations and job offers. Flutter is also a great choice for personal projects. If you have a unique idea for an app, Flutter provides the tools you need to bring it to life. Its rich set of pre-designed widgets and extensive libraries make it easy to create beautiful, functional applications without having to start from scratch. You can build your own apps and bring your ideas to life. Whether it's a productivity tool, a game, or a social networking app, Flutter gives you the flexibility to create exactly what you envision. The ability to see your ideas come to fruition can be incredibly rewarding and can even lead to new business opportunities. Flutter empowers you to create amazing things. With its powerful features and ease of use, Flutter allows you to focus on what matters most, building great user experiences. From stunning visuals to smooth animations, Flutter gives you the tools to make your app stand out. So why learn Flutter? Because it opens up a world of possibilities for your career and your creativity. Section 8. Career opportunities and earning potential. Flutter developers are in high demand. Companies are looking for skilled professionals. You can find jobs in various industries. Flutter is used by startups and large corporations alike. Salaries for Flutter developers are competitive. Experienced developers can earn high incomes. Flutter offers excellent earning potential. Section 9. Flutter for freelancers. Flutter is also a great option for freelancers. Many businesses need Flutter developers for projects. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Freelancing with Flutter offers flexibility and independence. You can set your own rates and work on projects you enjoy. Section 10. Flutter's future is bright. Flutter is constantly evolving. Google is investing heavily in its development. New features and improvements are released regularly. Flutter is becoming more powerful and versatile. Many big companies are already using Flutter. These include Alibaba, Tencent, and Google itself. Flutter's future is bright and promising. Section 11. Embrace the Flutter revolution. Flutter is a game changer for developers. It simplifies app development and opens up new possibilities. Its cross-platform capabilities, ease of use, and strong community make it a top choice. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, learning Flutter is a smart move. Embrace the Flutter revolution and unlock a world of opportunities.